Hey everybody, what's up? This is Frank from the library, and today we're going to be visiting lynda.com, which you can access with your library card at library.nashville.org. We're going to start on a learning path called Design a Comic Book. I'm going to take a look at some of the courses I think would be most valuable in creating comics and participate as I watch them. So if you've ever been interested in learning more about making your own comic books and stories, please join me. The first course we're going to take is called Learning Character Development and Design with Mary Jane Begin. This first section of videos is just an introduction to character development. And the first video is called Instant Read, which is all about how the look of the character defines their personality. The second video is called Capture the Heart and Soul of a Character, which talks about the face being the focal point of the character and emphasizes the importance of starting out with loose, expressive sketches to try to get that expression, and always keeping in mind that the physical characteristics will reflect the personality of the character that you're developing. Here are some of my initial sketches at developing a character based on what she's talking about. The next section of videos is called Elements of Developing a Believable Character. The first video is about archetypes. The next video is called Keep It Real, where she talks about looking to available subjects to draw inspiration from. She also talks about motion, gesture drawing, which I did a video on. She also talks about environment and how knowing the context for your character helps kind of flesh out what it'll actually look like in that context. Here I did some sketches of some bats. The next set of videos is all about character construction. The silhouette and shape of the character should separate it from the rest of the characters. She gives a kind of a basic introduction to proportions, and then she talks about turnarounds in the video after that, which is a viewpoint that shows the character from front, back, and side view along a grid. She talks about mapping out facial expressions. You're going to get the most believable facial expressions if you actually look at references, real life references. The fourth section of videos in this course is all about style meets substance. So getting into more developing your characters from just the accumulation of everything she's been talking about. So there are a lot of different ways that you can kind of stylize your characters. And she looks at different examples of how artists create unique characters that are also grounded in reality. Here are the characters that I ended up with. And that's basically all for this course. The next course we look at will be about putting these characters into a story.